Good morning to one and all present over here. Today I would be talking about BRICS. BRICS consists of the R5 countries, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, which consists of the 40% of the world population and 30% of GDP. It was established in 2009 by the idea of James O'Neill, and the latest entry was South Africa in 2011. Now the aims of BRICS are the equitable and sustainable development and to emerge as a political diplomatic entity. The achievement of BRICS include the Brasilia Declaration and the Asian and the New Development Bank, whose idea was given by India. Now at times BRICS face many problems. The bilateral from above BRICS shows itself as a emerging group, but the bilateral relations between the member countries is not so good. For example, the relation between India and China have not been good at any time due to the Aksai Chin issue, the South China Sea issue, and the Arunachal Pradesh issue. Moreover, the India's inclination towards the Western influenced groups like Quad has ruined its relationships with anti-Western countries like Russia and China. Moreover, the economic disagreement between India and China have worsened the situation. So I, as an individual, suggest that first of all, the countries should improve their bilateral relationship because it lays the foundation of a larger group. And secondly, competition between the countries should be avoided because in a group we do not compete with each other, we develop by shoulder to shoulder. And lastly, I would suggest that the increase in economic trade and economic activities would seriously solve the situation to some extent. Now I would like to end up my thoughts here. Thank you and have a nice day.